Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you do so. I'm also on TikTok and Instagram. I'm mostly active on Instagram, but I'm trying to be better about YouTube. My son's birthday is in 3 days and we just got a really exciting package in the mail. I'm going to unbox it with you guys and do like a little review. I'm gonna show you guys how I put it together and all of that. I got the GROWGO Pikler Triangle in the mail, but I got the bundle. So it comes with the triangle, a ramp that turns into a slide, can also turn into a tent, and then the stepping stones and also a balance beam. Really excited. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably do not know that my son has autism and we're really trying to work on his motor skills, so this is perfect for us. I'm really excited to show you guys, so let's unbox it. GROWGO was kind enough to send us this package and I'm so excited to show you guys. Like, I've been stalking my tracking number for days. All right, let's put it together. Luke is here next to me, so he's so excited about everything in these packages too. He loves when we get mail. All right, gonna unbox the stepping stones first. Look at that! How cute are these? Okay, so these are the stepping stones. Comes with a lot. They have something on the front and the back. The back of these, they have numbers. On the front are shapes and there's grooves on them. How cute are these? Seriously, so cute. Tic-tac-toe game on one of them. And then it comes with X's and some O's. And it came with a little carrying bag, so we can take this outside or something. How cool is that? Also some scoreboards so you can remember who's winning. Go ahead. Go ahead. Now we're gonna open the Pikler Triangle. Hopefully it's easy to assemble because I'm by myself. All right, I got my glasses on for this part. It looks like it has easy assembly. There's not, doesn't look too crazy. This is what we're working with. Oh my goodness. This is what we're working with. Now let's get started. So it looks like we're gonna start inserting the dowels. So it comes with a little hex key and a bunch of bolts. Thankfully, everything is the same size, so this looks extremely easy. Oh. Ready? Yay! Now we're gonna move this. Here, I'm gonna move this over here, okay? Look, you can do it. I'm gonna turn it into a tent.
Say I didn't say thank you. You can come in here.
Go ahead, go in there.
Mom, can somebody play at our house today?